mechanical works. So one of the important aspects of reporting the progress of mechanical works is for each and every one of these rooms, what would be the length and the size and diameter of each and every one of these pipes that has been laid on it. From our survey, we realized that we have about 10 to 15% deviations from the actual with what is reported manually. Now this is problematic. Why? Because we can improve waste if we can minimize it, as well as we can build the proper historical data for the next time that we're bidding. Yes? So, and of course we know that mechanical works are a bit more constrained with resources, so because of that, using a laser scanner might not be practical. So for that, I use this mobile camera, essentially my iPhone camera. Extracted different features from each and every one of these, matched them together, extracted the orientation of each and every one of these cameras, and then constructed, through 3D construction, the point clouds of that. Ran it through my system, extracted each and every one of the pipes from the remainder of the objects there. Now we have the length of the pipes, the diameter of the pipes, and the type of the pipes through this. We'll be able to have some sort of reporting system, and then have it through cloud-based system, go through the project manager automatically. So the only thing that the mechanical contractor needs to do is to have this phone, take pictures, or have a video recording of that. We even provide a method of how to take this video, similar to how your panoramic image of your mobile phone guides you through that. From that, the rest of the process is carried out through the software.